destiny be changed? In the last 12 years of my numerology and Vastu practices and consultation and training sessions, I have never come across a single person or a single case where his or her destiny was altogether changed. I have yet to come across such a case. I sincerely believe destiny can't be defied altogether, right, but there is a potential to harness the maximum potential of your destiny, to harness the maximum strength, to make the optimum utilization of your available strengths that you are born with or you have inherited, right. This you can do by way of inducing some particular numero vibrations in your life or in your space, in your home or office space. This is what numero vastu is all about, right. It is all about making the best utilization of available strengths in your destiny, not changing it altogether. It is not possible as per me, but making the best utilization is very much possible. Next question that I often come across is, if destiny can't be changed, what is the use of occult sciences, numerology, Vastu Shastra, all these things, and what is the domain of karma? What is the use of doing karma, right? So, I sincerely believe that numerology and Vastu Shastra can help you harness the maximum potential of your destiny, and astrology helps in identifying the destiny trends, what all is there in your destiny. Astrology can help you gauge that, and numerology and Vastu Shastra helps you harness that potential. In fact, basically there are two types of destiny, two aspects of destiny rather. One is that is defined by your date of birth, time of birth and place of birth, and we can read it through a horoscope, astrological horoscope. That defines the givens of life that you are born with, givens of life, right. The available strengths, limitations that you are born with, and this particular aspect is again characterized or marked by 3 points of existence. What are that? Initiator, sustainer and aligner, right. The other part of your destiny is defined by your name and surname, your name and surname, and this defines the domain of karma and the scope of achievement for you in your life. Domain of karma, this is the domain of karma, because your name gives us cosmic number and talent number. So, if you can align your talent number with your sustainer, that is the given of life, givens of life. If you can align your talent number with your sustainer number, so you can easily harness the available potential of your destiny. Say one child, he wishes to become a real estate developer, but instead of that he opts for engineering, he gets into engineering, start facing hurdle. So, at first point the question arises, why at all he opted for engineering while he was destined for doing this real estate development business. He was actually means his purpose of birth was to get into this real estate development business, for example, and he somehow opts for engineering and he start facing hurdle, he is not doing well. So, the reason, because due to some external influences on his mind, that may be due to the inappropriate spelling of his name, the cosmic number, because his mental disposition will start moving towards what his cosmic number is guiding. So, according to his cosmic number inclinations, he will make his choices, or due to some inappropriate placements in his house, whatever space he is into. So, due to that there are some external influences and he makes some wrong choices. The same thing, if somehow we correct that spelling, so we can realign him with his purpose of existence, right. So, this is how the things deviates from their basic pattern. But and the same thing happens when we make choices regarding life partner, when we make choices regarding selection of a new home or a workplace or whatever, or a new car or mobile number or whatever, whenever we make choice, and if there are inappropriate spelling of our name due to some external influence, our choice it is not appropriate. So, we start facing problems. This is the domain of karma. This is where Vastu, numerology and other occult sciences guides you. When we opt for an ideal occupation stream as per our sustainer number, as per our available strengths in our destiny, so we excel in that field while we go on to fulfill the purpose of existence. Why Anu Kapoor ji could not become a commercially successful singer? Why Anu Malik ji could not become a commercially successful singer?